again, this is Calum from Turmeaus Chester, and depending on when we upload this and when I finish it, it's either the end of 2019 or the very start of 2020, and that means it is YouTube law that I go through and do a top whatevers of the year for 2019. So today I'm going to be going through my favourite cigars, my favourite accessories, my favourite pipe tobaccos, just my favourite things for the year basically. So if there's anything you haven't tried, I hope it will give you some ideas of things to look out for and just things we've enjoyed. So I will go straight on to the next one now. So our next category is one I don't talk about that often, but it is something I do have a bit of a soft spot for, and I do occasionally get in the mood for, and that is smokeless tobacco. And my pick for it is actually, again I'm cheating and I'm doing an overall category rather than a specific thing. But I do have a specific thing picked about it, but that is chewing bags. Many of you might be familiar with the concept of snus, which is basically a tea bag of a snuff light tobacco that you just stick up in your gum. I'm not going to do this there because it's hard. When they first go in, you salivate quite a lot and it's hard to talk at the same time. So just imagine, you just pop it up here and it releases nicotine without the need of smoke or anything. So they're very discreet and very effective. However, snus can't be sold in the UK. But so for years and years and years, basically as long as I've been in the trade, we've always had people asking for snus and we've always had to say no. However, these are functionally very similar to snus, but it is not the same thing. It's slightly different tobacco, slightly different methods, but functionally they do work out the same way as snus does. People who use traditional snus might spot a bit of a difference, but I've only tried the real thing a few times, and personally I can't see a huge amount of difference with these. So if I had to put a favourite, I would pick this one. God, it's a long name, just to check I get this right. Thunder X Iceboom chewing bags, which I'm picking like 90% because of the name, because come on, that's an awesome name for something. But also I do actually really enjoy the taste of these. It's got quite a striking menthol taste, it's very invigorating, and there's a very subtle fruitiness underneath, so the two things in combination makes something that's very invigorating and is actually quite a nice pick-me-up if I ever have a caffeine crash. I quite like one of these. So if you're somebody who's tried snus and didn't think you're able to get it in the UK, these will hopefully function as a nice alternative, and it's something new if you're somebody who likes trying some new things. So definitely recommend trying them if you're after something different. Thanks.